Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rishi, and in this video, we are taking a look at Form 1 Chapter 4 Part 2, and in this video, I'm going to cover rates. Without any further ado, let's begin. Before we start, just a heads up that this is a relatively short video because we're just going to cover the concept of rates. So what are rates? In the previous video where we talked about ratios, I said ratios referred to two quantities being compared to each other. Rates are also quite similar, but rates is when we are relating the increase or decrease of one particular quantity to the other. For example, if I say Ali runs 200 meters per second. First of all, this is an absurd number and it is nearly impossible to run at this speed, but for the sake of explanation, just take it. So what does this number actually mean? So this means he can cover 200 meters of distance in 1 second. So for those who are wondering, this actually refers to the fraction symbol that you see right about here. And the word per actually means 1. So this entire term, 200 meters per second, is a combination of distance and time. And this entails that 200 meters of distance can be covered in 1 second. This is how rates work. It's referring to one unit, in this case distance, in regards to another unit, which is seconds. So we can also write 200 meters per second as 400 meters in 2 seconds. These two are technically the same. So if you simplify it, you will get 200. This might seem a bit too simple, but trust me, you have to have a good understanding of how all of these work in order to progress further. And there's one more thing to add. For rates, units play a crucial role, because if I write 200 kilometers per second and 200 meters per second, although it might seem as though the numbers are very much the same, the difference in units will make a big difference. And in your examinations, you'll be mostly tested on changing metrics. For instance, you would be given 20 meters per second and you will be asked to convert this into kilometers per hour. 20 meters per second means it can cover 20 meters in 1 second. So 1 second, if you want to change it into hour, what you would do is you would divide it by 60 2 times, and then you will get 20 meters and then change it into kilometers because you want it in kilometers. So divided by 1000, then you have 20 divided by 1000, where meters will turn into kilometers, and then 1 divided by 3600, which will become hours. So if you were to solve this, you would get 72 kilometers per hour. Do not worry, you don't have to use mental calculations for this, you can just use your calculator. So 20 meters per second is actually the same as 72 kilometers per hour. It's just that the units are now different. A person who can cover 20 meters in 1 second can cover 72 kilometers in an hour. It's the exact same thing, it's just that now we have different units. So this is the basic understanding of rates In the next video, we will be covering proportions, and in the following video, there will be a detailed breakdown on how to handle the kind of questions which you will encounter in the examinations. As usual, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.